Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to update the graphic card in Windows 10 computer. It's very easy and very simple. Make sure you watch the whole video. So the very first thing, at the left hand side, do you see the start icon? You just have to do a right click on that and then go to device manager. Once the device manager is opened, we are looking for display adapt. Now the moment I click on this right arrow key, we will find the graphic card here. Now you need to pay attention here. You can see whatever the graphic card you have, like AMD or any kind of graphic card. You just have to do a right click. I have a Intel UHD 8 gigabytes of graphic card, so I'll just do a right click and I'll click on update driver, and I'll just have to click on search automatically for drivers. So if it says the best driver is already installed, then what you can do is just do a right click and go to properties and then driver and update driver again and browse my computer, and then let me pick from a list available. Now in this manner you can get the previous version or a later version, because if you have mistakenly or roll back the driver, you can update it. But let's say if you do not have any driver here, so what you can do is, with the help of this name, now in your case you can see anything like NVIDIA RTX like that, so just copy that name and go to the manufacturer's website and download the driver from there. And the moment you run that file, the .exe file, because it's a very easy process, step by step, and they also show us the tutorial, so you can update that. And let's say if you have any kind of issues, let me know in the comment section. I will surely help. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.